In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth after scrolling down. Now click on this switcher next to Bluetooth to turn it on. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. If you can't see it over here, click on Rarely Used Devices, tap on it over here, and select Pair in order to connect. Now wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this icon next to the device and choose Unpair. You can always connect to the same one by turning off Bluetooth, then switching back on and clicking on the same device again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!